Here I am, pretty close to the middle of Winnipeg. This is Westminster United Church, one of the kind of older and more impressive United churches in Winnipeg. Unfortunately, they haven't been able to meet in their sanctuary for the last few years because their roof is collapsing and they can't really afford to fix it. But this is Maryland. I'm heading down Maryland, heading towards the Center for Christian Studies. And this yellow house with the rainbow flag is the Center for Christian Studies. This is Marlene. Marlene's the principal at CCS.
Nice to meet you.
Over here is Robin. Robin is in charge of finance and administration.
Good morning.
And down the hall here, these are all graduates of CCS. Some of our more recent graduates and some of our older graduates. Older as in they graduated a while ago, not that they're old themselves. This is our meeting room. When we have learning circles here, we kind of clear out the tables and clear out stuff to make room for a big circle of chairs. And for accessibility, here's our ramp that comes up the back of the building. Push that open. And that comes right into the meeting room again. These are some of the symbols of diaconia: the Bible, the towel and basin, door keys. These are some of our pamphlets, some of our lovely grads and students. I'm going to take us down to the basement. So down here in the basement, there are some offices that are owned by the United Church of Canada Prairie to Pine region. And over here is our library, where we have books that are used by our students and by our staff for readings. Most of the readings we have sort of available online, but this is where they kind of live in the real world if you want to pick up. And students can borrow books and we'll mail them out to them and they can mail us back. We also have a kind of a dedicated section that's devoted just to diaconal ministry and diaconal history. Heading upstairs. These are some even older grads from the 1960s and 70s, and some from the 1920s. Those ones would actually be old as people. This is our other meeting room. It's a bit of a mess at the moment. And again, if we were having learning circles here, we would kind of clear out the tables and make room for a big circle of chairs. And these are some of the offices for our program staff.
Hey, Scott.
And this is Janet.
Hi.
And Janet is having a conversation with one of our grads, Kendra.
Yes.
Hi, everybody.
Janet spends a lot of her time on the computer talking to students and other
True.
folks and being a kind of a person-to-person support.
Yeah. Yeah. Thanks for the visit.
Here's our other program staff person, Al Crease.
Hi, Scott.
Hi.
Everybody.
And this is her office. You'll notice that people have lots of books because they're smart. And this is my office. It's a bit of a mess, that's fine. Over in the corner is a bust of J.S. Wordsworth, who was a social gospel proponent and a Canadian parliamentarian, left-leaning, one of kind of the founders of the NDP, and this is a house where he used to live. And that's me.